हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोग देखेंगे इनवर्स बाय एडजॉइन मेथड। सो लेट अस सी। So if A is equal to this, find A inverse by adjoint method. Let us see the solution. सब में पहला आप निकालोगे डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A. So determinant of A, how we'll find out? We'll write 5, 2, 4, 1. उसके बाद आपको just simple एक क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So this will be 5 into 1 5 minus, and then you will multiply 4 twos, that will be 8. So you got the answer minus 3. So you will write over here determinant of A is equal to minus 3, and you'll put it inside the bracket. That means this minus 3 is not equal to 0. Remember, अगर 0 आता है so A inverse does not exist. और not equal to 0 आता है तो A inverse exists. That means we can find A inverse. Now what is the next step? The next step is to find the cofactor matrix. So let P is equal to cofactor matrix. A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay. Now A11, that means it is in the first row and first column. As you know, this is row 1 and this is row 2, and this is column 1 and this is column 2. A12 means this is the first row and this is the second column. First row, second column. As you know, this is the position. Now we need to find out all the values. So how we'll find out this? First you will write all the values in the order. You write A11, A12 and then A21 and A22, and put an equal to sign everywhere and just add their numbers. So if this is 1 plus 1 2, so 2 is even number will have a positive sign. 1 plus 2 is 3, so it will have a negative sign. 2 plus 1 is 3, so you have a negative sign over here, and 2 and 2, that will be 4, that is even number, you will have positive sign over there. Equal to 5 4 2 1. Five, 4, 2, 1. Now what do you mean by 1 1? So 1 1 means first row first column नहीं आएगा. Okay, remember that. As this is row 1, this is row 2, and this is column 1 and this is column 2. So 1 1 means first row नहीं आएगा, first column नहीं आएगा. So what number is left is 1. So we'll write over here 1. Next is first row second column. So first row will not come and second column will not come. The number is 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Next is 2 1. That is second row will not come and first column will not come. So that value is 4. And now finally second row will not come and second column will not come. And that value is 5. Okay. Now we will substitute this in the cofactor matrix. So we will write over here. Therefore, the P, value of P, that is the cofactor matrix, A11 is 1, A12 is minus 2, A21 is minus 4, and A22 is 5. That is the value of P. But we don't want the value of P, we want the value of adjoint of A. Adjoint A is equal to transpose. You have to write down the row in column. For example, this is the first row, 1 and minus 2. So you will write it in the column form. So 1 and minus 2. And now you can see the second one, that is minus 4 and 5. So you will write minus 4 and 5 over here. And then close the bracket. Now repeat the formula after me. The formula is A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. I repeat, 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So here what you can do, you have to see the determinant which we got as minus 3. So I will write over here A inverse is equals to 1 upon minus 3 into the adjoint of A, that will be same like this. So that is 1, minus 4, minus 2 and 5. Okay, I hope everyone understood the inverse by adjoint method for 2 by 2 matrix. Please like my channel, subscribe and share. This is Professor Ashraf signing off. Thank you so much.